Welcome back to our channel. In this video, we'll learn about the chambers of heart. As you all know, heart is having 4 chambers, 2 atria and 2 ventricles. We have the right atrium and left atrium and right ventricles and left ventricle. Let us see in more detail about the chambers of the heart. The heart, as you can see, is conical in shape. The lowermost portion of the heart is called as the apex of the heart, and the uppermost portion is called as the base of the heart. We have the right atrium, right ventricle, and the left ventricle. Impure blood reaches the right atrium through the superior vena cava and the inferior vena cava. The impure blood from the right atrium in turn goes to the right ventricle through the tricuspid valve. Tricuspid valve, as the name suggests, is a valve which has 3 cusps. And from the right ventricle, the impure blood further goes into the pulmonary artery. Please remember, though the name is an artery, pulmonary artery is the only artery in the body which carries impure blood. And the right ventricle opens into the pulmonary artery through the pulmonary valve. Now coming to the left atrium receives pure blood from the pulmonary veins. The pulmonary veins brings in pure blood to the left atrium from the lungs. Lungs purifies the blood and brings in to the left atrium. Now from the left atrium opens into the left ventricle through the mitral valve. The mitral valve is a bicuspid valve. Now the left ventricle has the pure blood and left ventricle in turn pumps the blood to the aorta through the aortic valve. And now the blood reaches the aorta. Now this blood is pure blood and this is pumped into the various parts of the body. To summarize, impure blood reaches the right atrium through the superior vena cava and the inferior vena cava and is pumped into the left ventricle and further pumped into pulmonary arteries, and the impure blood from the pulmonary artery goes to the lungs for the purification. In the lungs, the blood is purified and is brought back to the left atrium through the pulmonary veins, and the left atrium opens into the left ventricle and the left ventricle opens to the aorta through the aortic valve, and pure blood is pumped to various parts of the body. Here we have come to the end of our video. Please do note we have changed our channel's name from Medical Helpline to Stephy here. Do not forget to subscribe, share and comment. See you very soon in the next video. Till then, bye bye.